So definitely hair brings back a lot of confidence. It brings back just that feeling that now nobody's looking at your hair. And I thank you so much for believing in me, Dr. Siegel, and the team. It's really a team effort. I think that's what I always try to explain to my patients. The doctor can be good, but unless it's the team that's working with you, it's a team effort. And you have beautiful hair to work with. And not everybody can work with your type of hair.
You had an amazing team. You guys welcomed me, fed me whatever I wanted to eat, put on whatever I wanted to watch or listen to, made me sit the process. I was so comfortable. I was kind of shocked. I'm like, why are they so nice? But I guess that's the way they are. That's how they handle business. And if you can trust coming here that you're gonna get great results, I promise you. You could trust it. You don't have to worry about it. Just be excited to get here, to get the process going. That's all you need to do.
It's the truth. Call us. We're always available for a free consultation. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants, but you have amazing results. I'm so happy. The scar, I'll show a scar picture, is invisible, and I thank you so much for trusting in us. But you look amazing. I'm so happy that you came to the office to share it with us.
Thank you, sir. I greatly appreciate you.